that she's massive in Europe, so we came here to represent that and make her feel a bit more at home.
I am absolutely looking forward to Cascada tonight.
What's your favourite song by her?
Every Time We Touch.
Yeah, Every Time We Touch.
So Cascada formed in 2004. Did you ever think that you would be performing 10 years later?
No, funny enough, we just did an interview before and she was asking me what the biggest achievement was, and to be honest, I just answered, to be able to have been doing this for 10 years now, that is our biggest achievement, because I don't think I would have thought I'd be performing 10 years later. You know, it's a long time to survive in this business, especially as a dance artist, and yeah, we're just really, really lucky that we're still here.
Are you excited about tonight?
I am so excited, because every time we touch, I get the feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I can fly.
And every time we touch, I swear I can fly.
Have you got any questions you would want to ask her?
Questions? I want to ask her how Eurovision was. She represented Eurovision for Germany.
Tell her to sing in German. What's her favourite Haribo? Is it Star Mix or Super Mix, or what's she going here with? Tanktastic? I don't know.
Do you know what? I will ask her that and we'll find out.
We'll hold you to it.
So we've been asking people whether they've got any questions for you. One person wanted to know what your favourite Haribo was.
Oh, to be really disappointing, I'm not a huge fan of Haribo, and I'm more of a chocolate person. You know, you either like that or that. Well, I'm more of the chocolate person, but if it is something from Haribo, then it's everything that's sort of red.